The Sound of Taransay is on the western coast of Harris in the Outer Hebrides of Scotland and is home to stunning white sandy beaches, including the famous Luskentyre. We find a great spot to park by the Sound of Taransay, which is right near Luskentyre Beach. Beautiful Harris sunny day, out of breath, dragging myself over very shallow water to get to somewhere deep enough for the fins to actually be able to go into the water. We can do some paddling, so sensational sunny day, that's just beautiful. And there's that crystal clear water again. So the water is actually quite shallow this far up into the inlet. There is a little sort of a narrow channel that has a bit deeper water, so I've been following that. As you get out that way, there'll probably be a lot more opportunity for paddling waves and things like that, but this is really cool because we've sort of got it all to ourselves, so beautiful. It's just stunning. Looking forward to seeing what the drone shots look like, get a real idea of all the colours of the water, and actually paddling up against the wind out towards the open water. So it's really good to have a breeze that's going to push us back to where we just came from. For more information on paddleboarding at this location, check out our website, which includes specifics on directions, parking, weather conditions, and water entry points, along with information on water temperature where available. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, clicking notification, and sharing with your paddleboarding mates. While you're here, check out some of our other videos. See you next time.